Hello world! Hi passionate K1! How's life? I hope everybody's doing fine. I am fine. I'm good. Today we're going to explore an experience on how to read the words with the sounds of O, A. Do you know when you see O and A together like this sound? When O and A walk side by side, O and A together, the sound they make is ow, 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 like sound and loud and couch. O and A, ow, ow. Gr, 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 ow, ground, 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 ground. Ground is the place for us to stand up. Ow, sound, sound, and sound, sound, sound. Did you hear the sound? There's nothing. Ow, cow, couch, couch. Couch is a place for us to sit. Cloud, ow, cloud, cloud, cloud. This is the cloud. Cloud colors white. Sometimes it's gray. Ow, found, unfound, found. When you lost something and then you try to find it. I found it. About. Snout. Snout is the parts of the animal. Some animal have snout. The long nose, that is a snout. Out. Loud. When people scream, they're so loud. Mouth. House, silent N. House, a rainbow house. Scout is a group of boys and girls who learn about nature. Shout. Hello! Shout. Mouse, silent N. Mouse. A mouse. Spout. The part of a teapot. Spout. Hi passionate K1. Let's do our English book page 12. Yes, page 12. Owl, house, mouse, cloud, ground, mouth. Fill in each blank with the correct phrase to complete each sentence. In the house, on the shore, on the ground, in your mouth. A worm is, take a look at the worm. A worm is, do you think a worm is in the house? Do you think a worm is on the shore? A worm is on the ground. Yes. Let's circle it and then we write down. On the ground. Next, take a look at the picture. The mouse is, where is the mouse? The mouse is in the house. Do you think the mouse is in the house? On the shore? Do you think the mouse is on the shore? Yes. So let's circle it and then write it down. On the shore. Next, this one and this one, you do it by yourself. Have fun. Bye-bye. High five.